This is Francine. She likes to come to visit me. She was just recently sitting on top of the chair. Now she's looking at a video of another cockatiel. She's such a sweet baby. Not really. She's very mean. Don't let her innocent look deceive you. I'm sorry, I'm having a moment. Sometimes she'll just sit and just glare at me like I'm going to attack you. She bullies the other birds. She's so mean to my cockatiel Snow. Now he don't want to have anything to do with her. I will put her in another cage, but then she's just going to go out and join the group cage. I'm sorry. I'm just having a moment here. But Mommy loves her baby boo. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Mommy loves the baby. Thank you for watching my video, and we'll showcase another bird later on. Bye.